A Vision Beyond Sight, the inspirational journey of a visionary leader. Once upon a time, there was a child who was born without two eyes. His parents were heartbroken and unsure of how to help their child live a fulfilling life. However, the child was determined to overcome his challenges and live a life full of joy and success. As the child grew up, he faced numerous obstacles and challenges. He struggled to navigate the world without sight, but he never gave up. He learned to use his other senses to the fullest extent and developed a keen sense of spatial awareness. He also discovered a love for music, using his exceptional hearing to play various instruments. Despite his disability, the child refused to let it define him. He worked hard in school and excelled in academics, eventually earning a scholarship to a prestigious university. There, he continued to impress his professors and classmates with his intelligence, work ethic, and determination. After graduating, the young man embarked on a career as a motivational speaker. He traveled around the world, sharing his story and inspiring others to overcome their own challenges. His words resonated with people of all ages, and soon he became one of the most sought-after speakers in the world. The young man's success only continued to grow. He wrote a best-selling memoir about his life and experiences, which became a sensation and was later adapted into a hit movie. He also used his platform to advocate for disability rights and to encourage others to embrace their differences and pursue their dreams. In recognition of his contributions to society, the young man received numerous awards and honors. He was invited to speak at the United Nations, and his story was featured in countless news articles and interviews. People around the world looked up to him as a symbol of hope, courage, and resilience. Despite all of his achievements, the young man never forgot his humble beginnings. He remained humble and grateful for the opportunities that had come his way. He continued to inspire others to overcome their own challenges, and his impact on the world will be felt for generations to come. The young man's story also inspired advancements in technology and healthcare for people with disabilities. His advocacy led to greater accessibility in public spaces and improvements in assistive technology. He never stopped fighting for equal opportunities for all, regardless of their physical abilities. His message of hope and resilience resonated with people from all walks of life, and his story continues to inspire generations to come. He proved that a disability does not have to hold one back from achieving greatness, and that one can turn their challenges into strengths. The young man's legacy lives on as a testament to the power of perseverance, determination, and positivity. He serves as an inspiration to all those who face obstacles, reminding them that they can rise above their limitations and achieve their dreams. His impact on the world will never be forgotten, and his life serves as a shining example of what is possible when one never gives up. As the young man continued to spread his message of hope and positivity, he inspired countless individuals to overcome their own challenges and pursue their dreams. His story touched the hearts of people around the world, and he received letters and messages of support from fans everywhere. Despite facing discrimination and barriers throughout his life, the young man never lost faith in himself or in humanity. He believed that anyone could achieve greatness, regardless of their circumstances, and his unwavering optimism touched the lives of all those around him. In his final years, the young man dedicated himself to mentoring and supporting young people with disabilities. He founded a foundation that provided scholarships and resources to help these individuals pursue their education and careers. He wanted to ensure that his legacy would continue, and that future generations would have the same opportunities that he had fought so hard to achieve. In the end, the young man's story serves as a reminder that anything is possible with hard work, determination, and a positive attitude. No matter what obstacles we may face, we can all achieve great things if we believe in ourselves and never give up. The young man passed away at the age of 75, but his impact on the world lives on. His story remains an inspiration to millions, and his spirit of hope and resilience continues to guide people through their own struggles. He will always be remembered as one of the most inspirational figures of his time, and his legacy will endure for generations to come. The moral of this story is that the human spirit is incredibly resilient, and that anything is possible if one believes in themselves and never gives up. Despite facing immense challenges and adversity, the young man in this story refused to let his disability define him, and instead focused on his strengths and talents. He worked hard, stayed positive, and pursued his dreams, ultimately becoming one of the most inspirational figures of his time. This story reminds us that we all have the power to overcome our own challenges and achieve great things, no matter how daunting they may seem. By staying focused, working hard, and never giving up, we can all make a positive impact on the world around us. Please comment your feedback and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.